Hello, everyone, and thank you for kicking off 2021, a new calendar year with us, with Oracle. And thank you for your commitment to Oracle over the past, especially 2020. 2020 was a year that stretched our collective ability to react with agility, commitment, and focus. But we have succeeded, and we look forward to the opportunities that 2021 brings. But why have we succeeded? Well, we have responded with unity, the unbreakable spirit of collective human effort towards a unique goal. And this is what I call the power of together. This power of together helped frontline employees fight COVID-19 pandemic through digital assistance, but also securing the continuity of critical businesses in the region. And many of these were done by ISVs using our Oracle Cloud. These partnerships are built on great technology. So let me tell you, therefore, why our successful ISVs are using Oracle Cloud. But before we get into the detail, let's define the goal and objectives for today's call. First, let me help you explore OCI. We think Oracle can help you in a variety of ways. We have a highly differentiated offering for technology IP owners and solution developers on our cloud. We have a conscious effort to define what a second-generation public cloud should be. And the combination of our cloud infrastructure and enterprise business applications validated our ability to operate at a global scale, whilst helping our ISVs accelerate their own growth. Through these efforts, we believe we can help you run faster, run more secure, and run at a lower costs. In short, we expect you to shrink your cost of sales whilst increasing your top line. Moreover, our platform brings better security, performance, and customer experience. Second, we will introduce you to our market momentum. Throughout today, we will provide you with examples of our partnerships with other companies who are leveraging our investment in the Oracle Cloud. Yes, we'll talk about Zoom, but not only Zoom. Trust me, you will see why other successful ISVs have chosen Oracle Cloud. And I will also talk about partnership, a topic I'm really passionate about. And finally, the goal of today's meeting is also for you to engage with our ISV sales teams in order to agree into a joint plan to move ahead together. Now let me explain you why ISVs are so strategic for Oracle. ISVs are strategic for Oracle for two main reasons. First, collectively, we address a multi-billion-dollar, fast-growing business that operates in the platform space of the gig economy, offering the Oracle Cloud a multiplier effect, allowing both parties to grow usage and our business faster than if we were dealing directly with the customers. It's a really fast-growing market. Second, ISVs are our most important customers as you build your future innovations on our second-generation Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Actually, ISVs are the most demanding customers. We all know that ISVs are not interested in substandard engagements. After all, quality software is at the core of your business. Having so many successful and demanding ISVs actually proves to the market why OCI is the best enterprise cloud. And talking about innovation, we're also innovating ourselves. And as Larry and Clay said, Oracle is the only cloud application company that has also in the cloud infrastructure business. And Oracle has the most complete cloud platform to build and to operate your entire business. So you may be sitting there thinking, okay, Javier, but why do ISVs choose Oracle Cloud? In short, we see Oracle Cloud as a particularly good fit for independent software vendors because we see you. We understand your challenges, not just now, but for the last 40 years. We've been an ISV ourselves. So let me explain you 4 reasons for this. First, cost reduction. Oracle Cloud enables ISVs to run their application faster and at a lower price than other public clouds. This not only benefits their bottom line, but enables them to deliver superior application performance to their customers. A prime example of this is Zoom, that decided to move to OCI, but then doubled down as they started to see their internal costs reducing. Where typically 30% less expensive than other public clouds, with a very flexible pricing and consumption model. Second, scale and performance. It is all about speed and agility. We run 5 times faster. Besides that, Oracle offers you the most comprehensive service level agreement available in the public cloud. As a software company, we understand that this is important for our customers and that the commitments that you, our ISV partners, make to your customers for application performance and availability can only be as good as the commitments they get from us, your cloud platform provider. And trust me, we don't disappoint. And third, security and protection. Our zero trust security architecture means your customers can rest assured their sensitive data is protected both from external and internal threats when your apps are running on the Oracle Cloud. Our adherence to strict compliance standards means you can sell with confidence into even very highly regulated industries. How we do this? Well, 3 things. First, defense in-depth design. Second, very comprehensive access controls, monitors, and auditing. But also, very importantly, separate cloud controls computers. And finally, market coverage. Our open ecosystem and our rapidly growing large enterprise customer base represents opportunities for ISVs to reach larger numbers of prospective users and to accelerate top-line growth for your business. Just give you a few data points about this. We have more than 200,000 Oracle SaaS customers worldwide. On a daily basis, there are 80 million daily users with 61 billion transactions. We are growing more than 100% in terms of our customer growth. And we continue to expand our data centers. We're expanding into 36 data center regions worldwide. Moreover, on this specific area, we have a number of go-to-market programs that can help you accelerate and capture this market opportunity. In short, Oracle Cloud is a no-brainer for ISVs. And all of this translates into real value for our ISVs, since Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is built from the ground up for enterprise looking for higher performance, consistently lower costs, and easier cloud migration for their existing on-premise applications. OCI is also consistently less expensive than AWS for a wide range of popular cloud workloads for several reasons. Networking charges for output bandwidth is 74% less expensive than AWS. Oracle delivers more than twice better price performance over AWS for general purpose and memory optimized compute. And whilst AWS may provide similar performance to Oracle for high performance computing, they are 44% more expensive. And they provide no local SSDs, half the RAM, no RMS networking, and no performance SLA commitment. And you know how important SLA commitments are. Finally, for block storage, OCI offers as much as 20 times the IOPS performance of AWS for less than half of the cost. Combining all of this, the value received by our ISVs translates into successes, making Oracle the best platform for enterprise-grade apps. So let's have a look at some examples. We have seen a significant increase in the number of partners adopting OCI over the last few months, including some exceptional wins with large-scale SaaS companies, such as Zoom and 8x8. But also business application providers, such as Workforce Software and Vertex. You can see many logos on this slide. For EMEA, you will hear later about the stories of Pike, OpenWay, and Nexus. Very diverse stories on how we are helping them to accelerate their business. It's also worth noting that several leading ISVs, including Cisco Treasation and HighJump, they are running large-scale deployments on OCI without implementing Oracle Database or any other Oracle platform technology in their stacks. So the assumption that you need to be an existing Oracle partner or customer to take advantage of the benefits we're talking about today is just incorrect. When you look at the names and logos of the ISVs highlighted on this slide, you will notice a very common thread. Nearly all of these companies have applications who depend on enterprise-grade performance, scale, and security. These are not easy applications for other public clouds. And this is why these ISVs selected OCI. Only OCI can support them at that level. And this is why we have the largest portfolio of SaaS applications. And moreover, we have deployed and streamlined go-to-market model for partners. Actually, we have a dedicated team in EMEA to support you expanding your market reach through our go-to-market initiatives. To deliver on the promise of a true enterprise cloud for customers and ISVs, we've built a complete cloud portfolio with core services, data services, and application services, all designed from the ground up for the enterprise. You may have heard about truly flexible infrastructure and how this is enabling customers to save money, auto-scale their businesses, well, yes, paying less. Our off-box virtual networking and bare metal performance enables us to be the only cloud to provide our customers with exadata. And you know how our GPUs enable the machine learnings that power our digital assistant, a key component of our Fusion applications. Cutting across all of those layers is our relentless focus on security. How we believe that our security is our responsibility, and how we're making fundamental investments in Cloud Guardian, maximum security zones, and autonomous Linux to protect our customers from the most extreme threats. Actually, the complete suite of services and solutions we have is a great advantage for you. You can, of course, leverage our core and developer services, but you can also easily integrate with horizontal and vertical applications from Oracle, as well as with many other market-leading ISVs that are using Oracle Cloud. This is also something that we can further enable through our go-to-market programs and teams. So hopefully by now, you've at least been persuaded to have a closer look at what Oracle Cloud can do for your applications and for your overall business. As next steps, we'll encourage you to do a number of things with the support of our teams. First, to identify target applications for possible migration to Oracle Cloud. Maybe consider deploying just a single application on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure as a start. Then consider leveraging other Oracle Cloud services and deploying other applications as you gain confidence using Oracle Cloud. Second, to engage our technical resources to conduct an initial architecture review. Let our experts show you how your application could be migrated, deployed, and optimized on Oracle Cloud. Then work with our teams to scope a proof of concept, to write a test plan, and document results. Let us prove you the comparative advantages of running your application on Oracle Cloud and show you how we compare with other public clouds. But let's also build a migration plan. We're happy to support you on the migration with our expert cloud engineers. And then quantify the business benefits of Oracle Cloud. Let us build you a model to show how partnering with Oracle in the cloud can help you both reducing your hosting costs and accelerating top-line revenue growth. I'm really excited about the opportunity we have together. Thank you very much for your time, and back to you, Simon.